Let's be honest. Most AI video tools feel magical for a few minutes and then completely fall apart when you try to control anything. You get strange motion. Characters morph between frames. Camera movement feels random. And the workflow? Usually a mess of disconnected steps. The issue isn't generation quality anymore. It's creative control. And this is exactly where Cinema Studio 2.0 changes things. Cinema Studio doesn't behave like a typical AI generator. It behaves like a shot building environment, which sounds subtle, but completely changes how you work. Instead of typing a prompt and hoping for something usable, you actually construct a scene. Here's how the workflow really works. Everything begins with a text prompt. But you're not just describing visuals, you're defining a hero frame. Think of this as your cinematic anchor. Your lighting, subject, environment, and mood all live here. This frame becomes the structural base for motion later, which already eliminates a huge problem most AI tools have: visual drift. Before generating the image, you configure the camera system. This is one of the most powerful and most misunderstood parts of Cinema Studio. Instead of generic controls, you work with film logic. You choose lens characteristics, adjust focal length, control aperture. These aren't cosmetic settings. They change perspective, depth, and emotional focus exactly like real cinematography. Wide focal lengths exaggerate space. Longer lenses compress it. Shallow depth isolates subjects. Deep focus expands context. Once your rig is defined, you generate your base frame. Now here's where Cinema Studio 2.0 becomes very different. You can enter that image as a 3D scene. Yes, actually navigate inside it. Move through the environment. Adjust viewing angles. Refine composition. Instead of regenerating prompts repeatedly to fix framing issues, you explore the scene spatially. This dramatically speeds up creative iteration. Another extremely useful step is grid exploration. Rather than generating images one at a time, you preview structured variations, multiple compositions, multiple visual interpretations, side by side. This works like a storyboard generator. You visually compare options instead of guessing. Pick the strongest frame, promote it to hero frame. Continue. Less randomness, more precision. Now comes motion, and this is where most AI tools typically lose coherence. Cinema Studio removes timeline complexity entirely. No keyframes, no curves, no animation graphs. You simply define camera behavior. Pan, dolly, orbit, zoom, handheld, static. You're specifying physical camera logic, not manually animating movement, which is exactly how directors think about shots. Cinema Studio 2.0 then introduces multi-shot sequencing. This is a massive upgrade. Instead of isolated clips, you can build connected shot structures. Up to 6 shots per sequence. Each shot can have different duration, different movement, different framing intent, which means you're no longer generating random videos. You're generating scenes, establishing shots, close-ups, transitions, reactions. Now let's talk about one of the biggest frustrations in AI video creation: characters. Cinema Studio 2.0 includes a character system designed specifically to prevent identity chaos. You can introduce up to 3 characters. More importantly, they remain consistent. Facial structure, visual identity, continuity across shots. No more characters subtly mutating between generations. Performance direction adds another layer of control. Instead of vaguely describing emotions inside prompts, you directly assign them. Focused, calm, tense, surprised, per character, per shot. This transforms prompting into directing, which is a completely different creative experience. Dialogue integration is also incredibly streamlined. Write the line. Generate. Automatic lip sync. No manual alignment. No editing software. No extra tools. For creators building narrative sequences, this removes an enormous technical barrier. Genre-based motion logic is another clever system-level feature. Instead of manually adjusting pacing dynamics, you select cinematic behavior. Action increases motion energy. Horror slows movement and builds tension. Comedy adjusts timing emphasis. This influences how motion is generated internally, not just visually. Speed ramp control refines timing without post-production headaches. Define motion speed during generation. Slow motion for drama. Linear for realism. Accelerated for intensity. Generate multiple variations. Compare instantly. Select the best result. One feature advanced users immediately appreciate is start and end frame precision. Need a shot to begin tightly framed and end wide? Define both states. Cinema Studio generates the transition automatically. No keyframes, no manual tweening, no external editing. What's actually happening here is a workflow consolidation. Image creation, scene exploration, camera logic, motion behavior, characters, shot sequencing, timing. Everything exists inside one environment. No pipeline fragmentation. No tool switching fatigue. And this is important because AI video isn't limited by models anymore. It's limited by workflow friction. Creators don't struggle to generate visuals. They struggle to control them. Cinema Studio 2.0 is clearly designed to solve that exact problem. If you want to experiment with Cinema Studio yourself, links are in the description. And if you're serious about prompting or shot design, the official guide is genuinely helpful. AI video tools will continue to multiply. But workflows that simplify creative control instead of adding complexity, those are the ones that tend to last. Cinema Studio 2.0 is a very strong example of that direction.